So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get void check in Simply Financial. So first, you need to access your phone, and after that, you're going to open your web browser or any search engine, but in this case, I'm going to use Safari because it is very convenient in my end and it is the only available web engine on my end. So after that, you need to use or utilize the search bar for you to able to search for Simply Financial. So after that, you'll be able to see the first URL that comes in. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page. And for you to able to get help or get assisted, you just have to click on the menu, which is located at the top left corner of the screen, which is represented as the three lines. Once you click on that, just scroll it down until you see the help and support. You just have to go to the depth help or just even do the second method wherein you could just scroll it down until you see the contact us, which is right here. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page wherein you could actually get a virtual assistant support that is available 24/7 or even a live agent support that is available during business hours within Monday to Friday, and you could actually call them on their hotline, which is actually you'll be in 30 minutes queue. So after that, you could also email them for you to able to get assisted on how to get your voided check in their bank. So actually, you could click the chat button right here. You could actually talk to their virtual assistant or virtual bot for you to able to get assisted on how to do this method. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.